Hello and welcome to Crochet Smash. Today I'm going to make this one. It's kind of a heart with a flower going around. So let us start making this one. I'm using double crochet stitches and double crochet clusters and treble crochet clusters and chain stitches and single crochets for this one. I'm using a 5 mm crochet hook and my scissors to cut the yarn, then my yarn needle. The yarn I am using is Bennett Handicrafted cotton yarn. So let us begin. So I'm going to make a magic circle, then according to the diagram I think everything was made with a double crochet in the beginning. So I'm going to make chain 4, that will be 1 double crochet and chain 1. Then I'm going to make 1 double crochet, chain 1, 7 more times, 1, 3. Now I'm going to tighten my magic circle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm going to join with a slip stitch to this third one. Now we are going to cut the yarn. Going to lock this one in place. I'm going to take my second color in the chain 1 space. I'm going to attach my second color and we are going to make chain 3, then 2 double crochet together. Now yarn over hook and go through all the 3 loops. Then we are going to make chain 3. I'm going to the next chain 1, so I'm going to make 3 DC together here. Yarn over hook and then we make chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to make 3 treble crochet together. Then again chain 4. I make here another 3 treble crochet together. Sorry, you have to do yarn over 2 times. 1, 2. This is the third treble and going to go through all the 4. Chain 4 and 3 treble. Then I'm going to make chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. and I'm going to skip this one, and I'm going to place a single crochet on this double crochet. Then again we are going to make chain 5, 4, 5, now we are going to make a 3 treble together here. Then chain 4 and another 3 treble together. Three treble, 5 chain, then single crochet over here on top of this DC. Then chain 5, then another 3 treble together, I have to do 2 times. Then chain 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4, and again 3 treble, so 2 times. One, two, three, 4 chains and 3 DC together. 1, 2, 3 DC together. Then we are going to make chain 3. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, and again 3 DC together. 1, 2, 3. Then chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and slip stitch to the top of here, the first cluster. Okay, so I'm going to continue with the same color. If you want, you can go to a different color, but I'm going to continue with the same color. Now slip stitch to the chain space, then chain 1, then 3 single crochet over here, 1, 2, 3, and on the cluster you make 1 single crochet. Then this is chain 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Then again on the cluster, then 4 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 single crochet on the cluster. Then we are going to make 3 single crochet on the chain 5, 1, 2, 3. Then make a chain 1, slip stitch over the single crochet here, then chain 1 and 3 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, and here on the cluster we make 1 single crochet, then 4 single crochet on this chain 4 here, got my yarn. Okay, 1 2 3 4, 1 single crochet on this cluster, then again 4 single crochet over here, then 1 single crochet over the cluster, then 3 single crochet over here, 1 single crochet on the cluster, and we have chain 5 here. So we are going to make a 3 single crochet, 1 2 3, chain 1, then 3 single crochet, 1 2 3, and on the cluster 1 single crochet, and slip stitch to the next stitch. That's it, you're done. We can just done with this just like that, but I am not quite satisfied with this one, so I'm going to add the blue color. And inserting the hook through this single crochet, making up a slip stitch, then going into the next stitch, no, chain 1, then go to the next one, slip stitch, chain 1, slip stitch. Finish it like that. In the chain 1 space here, we are going to make a slip stitch, chain 1, slip stitch. Then all other places we are going to do as before, like a slip stitch, chain 1. When we come to the end, just slip stitch, chain 1, and slip stitch to the first slip stitch, and we are done with that. This gives a ruffled, this gives a little bit of edging. If you don't like the edging, you don't have to do it. If you can leave it, it will be okay without the edging too. Do you like the edging or you like it without the edging? Please let me know in the comments. If you like this pattern, please like and share and subscribe to my channel, and help me to grow this little channel. See you next time with another pattern. Till then, bye bye.